Hello guys, Jai Shri Shyam. Welcome back to Vinayaka Trades. Today is 23rd of December and you guys can see my screen, and today what I traded I'll let you know. First of all, let me go to the Tradefinder because you guys generally I think came up on this video after searching this, right? After searching this Tradefinder tool. So let me just quickly log in. Uh, just give me a second. So let me log in this. Cool. So you guys see today what stock I traded, why I chose this stock. So I have a multiple list. So first of all, I'll always tell you it's not like whatever stock is coming here in breakout beacon or intraday boost, you have to go to that stock and trade it. So if you see Coal India is here in intraday boost, I use this. It has a good R factor and it give around 3.6 percentage returns as well, right? The total movement is basically 3.6% today. And if you see, this is how I traded. This is what after this breakout at closing of this candle, I took the trade. And this is the logic. Basically, I have waited for one breakout, which is the opening range breakout. Let's say this is the 15 minutes opening range breakout, right? And once this breakout has happened, I wait for a 5-minute candle close and I have traded this, right? So this is how I traded today. And it almost gave me within like 15-20 minutes, almost my, it was showing around 3,600 profit. And I generally target as 4,000. Recently, I started trading in auctions, but I'm not liking it as much because it consumes only 13,000 for this particular trade and I made 2,000 of return. It's around more than 15% of return, right? So it's good as terms of return percentage on the basis of capital, but I don't find it very good because if you see here, this is how the option chart looks like, and it is not very good liquidity. Also, it doesn't have the very good liquidity, doesn't allow you any ways to give more. Second, I'm getting a call. Let me close this call. This didn't have any likes. Yeah. So what happened is basically it doesn't allow you to, smoothly take an exit as well as take an entry in this options chart. Also, when it goes a slight more ATM, if you go here and if you see like once it goes inside more ATM, it will create a problem for you. It will not allow it. So, anyways, it will not have the very good liquidity. So, I'm thinking again on this. Maybe I'll again go back to the cash equity. But if you see, right, there is one thing very good here. Because of trading here, right, I can maximum see the order book. If you can see the order book as 950. If you see, uh, I have entered around 5.75 on an average. And this quantity is 1350. It is basically, give me a second. Yeah, I was showing you where is this. Uh, so I don't find it very useful, but the one thing I was showing was very good is this. When you see the total brokerage is 64 rupees only. And if I go for the cash equity, maybe around 250, 260 rupees I have to pay the brokerages or see an ample amount of profit by me. And required margin is also huge. So yeah, that's it. And this is a trade finder tool. Even if you see in the breakout weekend, you'll also see the poll India. Well, I think that's it. Today I have explained everything, all the logic why I traded. If you see here, breakout weekend was also showing Coal India at 925. Intraday boost is also showing Coal India. But it doesn't mean it only showing Coal India, right? It's showing more than like 30, 40 stocks within this 925 rail if you see. So it's just a stock scammer. It's not a EB tool, or if you say like uh कि यार ये मिल गया तो अब हो गया बस खाली ट्रेड लेना है. It's not like that at all. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching many trades and keep following and like and subscribe for this.